Under My Roof can keep track of repairs and maintenance for your home and belongings. Tap or click Repairs in the detail view for a home, location, collection, or item to view its repair and maintenance history. You can use the Filter button above the list on the iPhone or in the upper left corner on the Mac and iPad to filter entries by type. Tap or click the Plus button in the upper right corner to add a new entry. Use the Type field to indicate if the entry is for repair or maintenance. Fill in a brief description of the work and date performed. You can also include a price, contractor, contact information, and description. Tap or click on a repair or maintenance entry to view or edit its details. You can tap or click on the basic details to edit this information or set the completion date. You can also add notes for keeping track of phone calls, conversations, and other information regarding the work. Parts and Supplies helps you keep track of any components used. Tap or click the Plus button to add a new entry. You can choose whether or not the cost will be added to the total cost of the repair or maintenance work. The Payments section is used to keep track of payments to contractors and others over the course of the job. Use the Warranty section to add warranty information for any work or components related to the job. The Attached Files section is useful for attaching job quotes, contracts, and other documents associated with the repair or maintenance work. The Photos section can be used to store before and after photos. And finally, the Receipts section can be used to store any associated receipts.